Alright, so this is going to be a little tour of the Mass Ave Car Wash in Lexington, Massachusetts. Here's the sign. This bay shuts off immediately at 9 p.m. Sign promoting for the Rain-X Complete Surface Protectant, new salt away, no bucket washing, and now they are accepting credit cards. So the options are wheel and tire cleaner, bug off, pre-soak, soap, foam brush, foam gun, salt away, Rain-X Complete Surface Protectant, gloss wax, rinse, spot free, and stop. And you could do all the way around, which is pretty cool. And right here, this used to be a self-serve bay, but they got rid of it. As you can see in there used to be the self-serve thing. It's a brand new Wash World Razor Edge with Protavest dryers. Pretty cool. Here's the new pay station.
Welcome to our car wash. Please select an item at any time during this message. Or select an item.
So, guys, you guys already know that I filmed that touchless wash. I will film the tunnel wash very soon. But today I want to film the Wash World Razor Edge, yet another one, bay one. I'll actually film the third bay. I already filmed the second bay, and today I'm going to film the first bay. Of course, we'll be going for the best. For some reason, you could enter a wash code, even though there's no wash code or gas station around here where you could get a code.
Press start over.
Here's another Razor Edge. Yet another Razor Edge. Here's the wash menu for the tunnel wash. You can't really see it. There's one right there too. See, it says Wash World on it. Forgot to zoom out. I believe this was installed like a week ago. Of course, it's got the Protavest dryers. See, it used to be a seltzer bay because one, it has the little thing where you actually insert your coins, and it says open exit door as open exit door, push open door button. A little detail center vending machine where you, like, for example, you insert the money and you choose 32, and this thing, the air freshener or one of these things will come and you'll grab it from right here. Here's a change machine and another air freshener vending machine. If anybody knows what type of pay station this is, please let me know in the comments below. This is my first time seeing Wash World signage look like this. So yeah, you guys already know that I filmed the second bay, but I want to film this one. I'll film all three touchless bays, and once I do that, I'm gonna film the tunnel wash. Once again, here's a view of the Razor Edge, brand new. Kind of disappointed it doesn't have the foam and flow. Now we're going to take another walk through the seltzer bay. See, things hang all the way up there. It's Rain-X Complete Surface Protectant sign. This is basically the same thing. Somebody was just rinsing and cleaning their car in here, so that's why there's so much soap on the ground. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will enjoy the touch-free wash video that is about to come. Stay tuned, everyone. Bye-bye.